after the latest episode of Mnakwethu, you guys, the public is not happy with Mnakwethu production and the fact that they look like they have been promoting older men dating underaged women, you guys. And this last episode was not the first one. This last one, I just think it just triggered and just like got a lot of people like mad. Now, you know the last episode, you guys, of the guy who's well in his 40s, dating a matriculant who is 20 years old. And the thing that's bothersome, you guys, is the fact that this girl doesn't even look like she's mentally okay. She doesn't look like she is 100%. And that's the thing that people just don't appreciate. In previous episodes, there have been episodes where something similar to this, but this one, I guess, it triggered people because, I mean, if a person's not in their mental state, like, why are they still being, Anyway, you guys, there are some people on Twitter who basically have been, or this lady basically, you can see on the screen, she said that she wrote to BCCSA to lay her complaints about the latest episode. She wrote, after watching last night's episode of Mnakwethu, I sent an email to the Broadcasting Complaints Commission of South Africa. This is their reply. Looking forward to what will happen next. The abuse of the girl child by men should not be tolerated. Is that tolerated in South Africa, basically? But the email basically says, the BCC basically says that bayamjiyisa basically, but I guess it's their protocol. She needs to look through their rules and see which specific clause or which specific rule was violated by the show, and then send through examples that, okay, according to your rules, this is the rule I believe was violated, and these are the examples from the show that I feel like violated this rule, and then from then they can take it further. There's someone also in a comment section that also commented and said that they also did the same thing, and we don't know how far it's gonna go, you guys, because remember, this girl is over 18 years old. Angazi, like, I really don't know of how successful these things are, but I truly believe that if more people actually do it and make awareness of this, then, something could be done, or some sorts of awareness will be brought to Mnakwethu to stop accepting such offers, or stop accepting such people onto the show. And I guess this is the reason why I'm doing the video, you guys, to bring awareness that it's not okay for us to see such things, and just, some things, yes, yeah, mangala, guys, and we are surprised because we just like, what? But it's not okay for them as Mnakwethu production to actually even put this on TV. Kusho ukuthi bona, they see it as content. They didn't see anything wrong with it. I mean, it goes through so many people to approve such things, but they've been approving like episodes like this, and it's not okay, guys, because our young sisters bayaphela because of these old men. Yeah, this one, guys, especially now, if you watched my last video on this episode, I was even saying there's something that just doesn't seem to be adding up here with this man. This man is grown, he's good looking, he has money, he can get a woman, at least an old enough woman for himself, who's good looking, who can think for herself. But for him to take a woman that looks like, or a child rather, that looks like she can't, her thinking capacity is not even okay. Nah, guys, konok shayamans. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure that you like this video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.